Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about total quality management. TQM in short, or less TQM, must know concept for engineers. It is a very important concept for engineers. Sequence of presentations. The topics in TQM are introduction, three quality gurus, commonality of the themes of quality gurus, definition of quality, approaches to defining quality, system approach for TQM, triangle of wisdom, TQA HRM, customer satisfaction, indicators for customer satisfaction, cost of quality, benefits of TQM, and conclusion. What is TQM? TQM, Total Quality Management, is integration of all functions and processes within an organization in order to achieve continuous improvement of the quality of goods and services. The goal is customer satisfaction. The ultimate goal of TQM is customer satisfaction. No doubt humans are always deficient. Every human being makes errors. Deming is one of the Japanese person who is the earliest pioneer for popularizing quality control in Japan in the year 1950s. Today he is regarded as a national hero in that country and is the father of the world famous Deming Prize. He is the father of the world famous Deming Prize. Juran, like Deming, was invited to Japan in 1954 by the Union of Japanese Scientists and Engineers. Juran defines quality as fitness for use in terms of design, conformance, availability, safety, and field use. He focuses on top-down management and technical methods rather than worker pride and satisfaction. Philip Crosby is the author of a popular book, Quality is Free, is absolutes of quality. Here, quality is defined as conformance to requirements of goodness. The system for achieving quality is prevention, not appraisal. The performance standard is zero defects, not that it's close enough. The measurement of quality is the price of not conformance, not indices, not indexes. Commonality of themes of quality gurus. Inspection is never the answer to quality improvement. It is policing. You should have good leadership and top management are very important for this quality management. A program for quality requires organization-wide efforts and long-term commitment accompanied by the necessary investment in training. Quality is first and schedules are second. Quality is first and schedules are second. Definition of quality. The concept and vocabulary of quality are elusive. Different people have got different meaning for the word quality. A banker says a service is the most important quality aspect. For a healthcare worker, healthy quality healthcare. Hotel employee, customer satisfaction. The manufacturer says quality product. Five approaches of defining quality. According to Harvard professor David Gavin in his book Managing Quality, summarize five principal approaches to define quality. Transcendent, product-based, user-based, manufacturing-based, and value-based. These are the five approaches for the quality. Quality, product-based. Quality is viewed as a quantifier or a measurable characteristic or attribute. For example, durability, reliability, strength can be measured by an engineer, can design to the benchmark. Quality is a very important aspect. All of you today, people are becoming very quality conscious. They are buying only products which are of good quality, even if the price is very high. They are ready to forego extra money for the sake of quality. So today, India is changing from cost-based market to quality-based market or value-based market. Characteristics of a TQM leader is a visible, committed, and knowledgeable. Is a visible, committed, and knowledgeable person. A visionary zeal, aggressive targets. They have strong drivers, communication of values, organization, customer contact. These are the aspects related to quality. Cost of quality is the cost of non-quality. 1 is to 10 is to 100 rule. A stitch in time saves 9. The cost of quality is generally classified into four categories. Cost of prevention, cost of appraisal, cost of internal failure, cost of external failure. Benefits of TQM. What are the advantages of having total quality management? Quality in every aspect of the organization. Quality everywhere. Customer loyalty, greater customer loyalty. Market share improvement. The market share of the company will improve. The stock prices of the company will increase. There will be less calls from the customers about complaints. Higher prices. The prices of the company's products will become higher. For example, Sony company prices are very high compared to the other competitors. Still, people buy Sony products because Sony is the market leader for quality and greater productivity. It gives greater productivity. Remember, the earth revolves around the customer. All of you, customer is called the king today. Okay, quality begets customer and customer begets quality. Let us all have our plans to support quality. And finally, they say that God also will help those people who are uh, maintaining quality in every work that they do. Total quality management means every function, every work, every small task or big task in organization must be, you should ensure total quality. You should not compromise anywhere. That is TQM. Thank you, students.